If you've thought of making AI content before, then you should watch this video, as we'll be going over how YouTube is starting to crack down on some of the AI content on their platform. And we're going to go through some news articles as well as some Reddit posts just to see what everybody's saying. I'm sure you've all seen this before, where people are starting to create AI avatars, and we all thought this would be the future. So on TechCrunch, we've got YouTube prepares a crackdown on mass-produced and repetitive videos as concern over AI slop grows. YouTube is preparing to update its policies to crack down on creators' ability to generate revenue and authentic content. So everybody's algorithm right now is messed up. I'm tired of seeing AI content. I think we can use AI to help with our videos, with scripting, maybe some AI editing, things like that, like I've used before with platforms like Tela. Other than that, I think the AI content is a bit garbage. So on July 15th, the company will update its YouTube partner program, monetization policies with more detailed guidelines around what type of content can earn creators money and what cannot. And so I'm really starting to think a lot of people that create these faceless YouTube channels, like if we go type in YouTube, how to learn faceless YouTube video automation. There's so many videos like this and so many creators that have millions of subscribers and views. And the ones that are making money, I'm scared for them because they're probably making some pretty good bank, and that might not happen anymore. So people are going to have to start showing their faces instead of just making these AI characters and faceless automation channels. So let's get into some more news here. So what's changing? While YouTube has always required original and authentic content, the new policy aims to better define what counts as inauthentic in the age of easily accessible AI. Why YouTube is acting now? The update policy comes from amid growing concern over AI-generated spam flooding YouTube and other platforms. What creators should watch out for? While the exact language of the policy update has yet to be released, creators should evaluate their workflows if they rely heavily on automated content generation. I'm not sure if these types of creators are going to get fully demonetized, or they're just going to get strikes and then be able to post actual real content from there. So what do I think about it? Do we give up on AI completely? As I was saying before, obviously all the AI generated content is not going to be monetized, so it's going to be pretty pointless. And so I think we can still use AI tools to our advantage for original content, as well as use it for video editing and AI scripting as well. Now, what's actually changing? YouTube claims this is just a minor update. The platform has always required original and authentic content for monetization, and so you should have read that or known just before you started creating that type of content. Content that violates these rules has technically been ineligible for monetization for years, and they're just cracking down on it now. Should you be worried? Yes, if you're creating content that has AI avatars or these faceless automation channels. In order to monetize as part of YouTube Partner Program, creators need original and authentic content, and on July 15th, 2025, YouTube is updating our guidelines to better identify mass-produced and repetitious content. So as of July 15th, this was taken into place, and we'll see how that plays out over time. I don't want to read too much of these news articles. It gets kind of boring. So what I like to do is just head over to Reddit, where we can see what the people are actually saying. So here is a Reddit post. YouTube prepares crackdown on mass-produced and repetitive videos. Let's see what the people are saying. That'd be nice. The internet is falling apart. Definitely. I'm really tired of all this AI crap. I have maybe 40 subs to channels I like and watch. I never watch any of that AI crap. Why would anyone do that? Don't get sucked in. Easy to say. Once you like something that's AI generated, your algorithm's completely screwed over. YouTube's engagement bait platform is what caused content farms. Now they mad at what they created. Could be true. They probably wanted a bunch of engagement and saw how many views all this AI content was getting, and then they said, "Oh crap, this isn't really what our platform's about," and kind of reverted from there. Let's see here. Good, maybe my dad will finally stop watching all the bullshit AI propaganda. Man, I think like so many people just got brainwashed with all this AI content. There's so many videos out there that's just completely bullshit, like making up news stories that aren't even true. And I think it's just a bad route for content to go in general. What about people's comments being removed, but AI comments stay? I'd actually like to see this get cracked down on. There's so many bot accounts that just comment all day, and it's complete spam garbage. I'd like to see them crack down on AI generated music as well. At least give us the option to filter it out. All right, let's go into something else here. Is it just me, or has AI ruined YouTube? Not yet, but it's getting started. Just wait when the platform makes their own for you to consume. So this person thinks that they're going to ban user AI content, but YouTube's going to make their own and just monopolize it. Could be. Could be. Let's see. Let's get a good one here. I don't know. The long ones. Gosh, just so much. Nope, my feed is great. If you're getting crap you don't want to see, don't recommend. Channel is right there. All right, that's an option, I guess. It's flooded with it because that's what you watch. Stop clicking on it and it won't be in your feed. YouTube is going to be more strict with low effort content. YouTube is adjusting their rules to be more strict with mass produced AI slop type of channels. It looks like they'll be enforcing the repetitive and reuse content rules in a more strict way. If you're the type of person who thinks uploading your other people's TikToks or putting your face on other people's content is the way to get money, this will affect you. This is huge. I think clipping will still provide people with money because it's not AI content, it's just clip farming. But if you're using your face on other people's content that's already going viral, then yeah, I guess you're going to get demonetized for that. YouTube W. I'm tired of literally spending days animating only to get nothing compared to reactors and people posting friends' clips. I'm not sure if people reacting to stuff is going to get demonetized or anything like that. Like if you react to one of these videos, I don't think you'll get demonetized from what I've read online, but who knows? Half YouTube videos are copy and paste even before AI. To some extent, I think it's great to, you know, look at other people's ideas and make your own spin on it, but definitely copy and pasting content is not for the best. Fantastic. Dump all that garbage and get people's faces and unique footage back on screen. This is what we want. We want real people making videos, and all this AI stuff just feels inauthentic because it's just a robot that made a video, or it's some random AI generated video that has no soul to it. We don't want that. 99% of YouTube is low effort, especially shorts. They've been prioritizing quantity over quality for a decade. Now they want both quantity and quality. Sucks for the new guys, I guess. Yeah, I mean, if you're starting off trying to do these faceless AI automation channels, you're just trying to make a quick buck, doesn't work anymore. I think now you got to go with that long-term effort where you're actually posting informational content, providing real value. If I just go through some of these videos here, AI generated video, like my feed isn't really full of all that AI generated video, but there's been so much content that just shows you how to make this AI generated content already. I'm sure those videos will be fine. Top faceless automation YouTube channels. Several YouTube channels are successful using automation and avoiding showing their faces. Some popular niches include educational content, motivational videos, DIY projects. By the way, I've started to see some of the automation niche YouTubers start to make their own avatar when they had like a lot of subscribers, like over 200k subscribers, and they started doing these AI avatar videos, and I'm just worried that all of that progress is going to be taken away, or if they're just going to delete their AI content and let their channel still be alive. Top faceless YouTube automation channels. All right, real life lore, lo-fi girl. Lo-fi girl is just, I would say that's not really AI generated content because it's just a music channel. So I would say that these, I would want to leave these. I don't think these are doing anything bad. It's just an AI image with music that somebody made, and I think these will be fine. Here is some AI generated content, real life lore, answers to questions that you've never asked. And so this just looks like informational, like world politics content. And it's hard to say whether this would get demonetized. I honestly think that even though they're not showing their faces, I think this is okay because they're showing real clips. They've got an AI image. It's hard to say whether they have more AI video in there without me going fully into it, but I think something like this would be fine. This looks like AI generated content, and who knows, maybe a channel like this would get striked and just taken down because it is AI generated. I just wanted to let you guys know that if you're thinking of making AI content, probably pick something else and show your real face, and I think that's the best option. That is me letting you know that YouTube is cracking down on AI slop content. If you guys like this style of video, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.